everyone, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. It is me, Namira Taneem from Canada, and today I'm going to be sharing a recipe that can be very helpful for people who have anxiety or stress. Let's go. Before we start making slime, I want to talk a little bit about borax. Borax, aka sodium tetraborate, is very dangerous and it's also chemical. It's normally used for laundry, so you can use it as a laundry detergent. Otherwise, you can use it as a solution for making slime. When working with borax, make sure you wear gloves and a mask. But why really a mask? You should wear a mask because it can protect you from inhaling borax, and that can be very dangerous for your body. So once you're careful with that, let's start with the video. So as you see over here, I have borax and I have a cup of water. So I'm making just a little bit of slime, but you can add as much water and borax solution as you want. But make sure a little bit borax can go a long way. So I'm adding 1 teaspoon of borax into this cup. Mix it thoroughly until the borax has evaporated into the water. Now once you've done that, make sure to set it aside and let it evaporate, and then move on to the main part of this video. Here I have a bowl that I usually use for making slime. I'm using school glue. You can use any kind of glue, but school glue is best, and this is Elmer's school glue, and this is non-toxic, and be sure to read the warning label before you use this. So I basically had like barely even a half of glue left in the bottle, so I added some water and I mixed it well, and now I'm pouring it into the glue that I poured in before. Once you're done this, make sure you mix it thoroughly, and as you see, because I have the gloves on, it's easier and it's less messy and there's no glue in my hands. Now mix it well. After mixing it thoroughly, make sure you add in anything you want to add, like beads, glitter, any kind of accessory to the slime before you start turning into slime, because this would be easier. You can add it afterwards too, but I think this is easier to add and it won't fall off. So I added some gray glitter and I also added some blue glitter as well. After you're done adding glitter, make sure you mix it well. At this point I thought this would be perfect, the right amount, but then after I decided to add more, so you can easily add more glitter if you want to, or any other necessary accessories for the slime. So now is the right time to add the borax, and while I was adding this, it did get messy, so after clean the surface because you really don't want any chemical on your surface. When you're adding borax, make sure you add a little at a time, because as you see, when I already added just a little bit of borax, then it already started turning into slime, so just a little bit of borax can go a long way. So when you're adding 1 to 3 spoons of borax solution, it doesn't really apply to all the slimes you make, depending on how much slime. So if you're making like a whole bucket full of slime, then you can add way more than this, but I'm adding just a little, so that's why I said add a little at a time, because just a little bit of borax can go a long way. Also, if you're a kid watching this, make sure you do this with adult supervision. And if you don't know how to do it, ask a parent's permission first, because this can be very dangerous, and also you're dealing with chemical.
I can see you through a little far away.
So after adding my spoonfuls of borax, just like teaspoons, I was mixing it together, and this is the best part to go in with your hands. And as you see now, wearing gloves is much easier than having slime all over your bare hand. It may seem stiff at first, but it's way better. And just clean up the whole bowl because I don't want to leave any slime behind. It becomes way more stretchier after, so I think you just have to have patience and just keep playing with it because the borax still needs to spread throughout the whole slime. So if you still think it's not as stretchy as it used to be or as you want it to be, then add lotion or soap. I added some Vaseline aloe vera lotion, and this made it stretchier. Just add 1 pump or just a little bit, and it got stickier, but it got stretchier as well. Now I decided to go in with my hands, and I wanted to feel how it felt, and I was super excited because I hadn't made slime in a long time, and it felt sticky at first, but it got better and I thought it was really nice. My brothers decided to join in and we played together with the slime. It was really fun to play with. Now time for the best part. I'm gonna do the ASMR thing. So guys, that was the end of the video. If you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a huge thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. If you guys want more of these how-to videos, I would love to create some for you guys, and stay tuned for the next video I post because it's going to be very fun, and I hope you guys like this video, and I hope you guys like the future videos I do as well. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you all next time. Have a good day, and bye!
Oh, it's sticky.